In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit card from your Shopify account. This process is essential if you're looking to manage your payment methods or make sure your financial details are up to date. Let's walk through the steps together, clearly and carefully, to ensure everything goes smoothly for you. First, let's start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you are on the homepage of your store, you'll see a variety of options and settings available. It's crucial to make sure that you're in the right account and viewing the correct store, especially if you manage multiple storefronts. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll find a menu. What we're looking for is the Settings button, which is usually at the bottom of this menu. Clicking on it will open up several more options related to your store's configuration. From the Settings menu, you should see a tab labeled Payments. This is the section where we can adjust and manage how you receive payments and the financial information linked to your account. Click on the Payments tab to continue. Now that you're within the Payments section, take a look at your current payment methods. If you've already set up a credit card, it'll appear here. You might notice three small dots, often referred to as the Action button, next to your payment method. Click on these dots to access a menu that enables you to perform actions such as replacing your credit card on file. It's important to note that Shopify doesn't allow you to completely remove a credit card method if it's the only one linked to your account. Instead, you have the option to replace it. If your goal is to eliminate this credit card entirely, you'll need to start with these replacement steps. For those looking to entirely stop using Shopify, click on the Plan tab within your settings. The Plan section governs your subscription to Shopify's services. If you're still on a trial period, the option might read Cancel Trial. For those with an active plan, the button will say Cancel Plan. Choosing to cancel your plan will effectively end your subscription and remove your need for a credit card in the system. By following these guided steps, you can successfully manage your payment details and ensure your financial setup on Shopify aligns with your current needs. Remember to save any changes you make and feel free to repeat any step if something doesn't look right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped clarify the process of managing credit card details within Shopify.